Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add more storage to your Nintendo Switch console. So in order to do so, you need to use a micro SD card. You need to buy one and then put it into your console. Once you buy it, this is how you can use it. So turn the Switch around, then over here you want to open the Kickstander, and here you will find the SD card slot. Let me try to take it out for a sec to show you how to put it in. So this is approximately how it looks like, and in order to put it in, you just need to slide it in over here like so, and then once you cannot push it more, you need to use your, for instance, fingernail and then push it a little bit harder until you hear a click. There we go. And that's how you can insert the micro SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.